Welcome to the Pilates weights series. Start with 1 pound, 2 pounds, or 3 pounds. We'll be doing 2 positions. The first will be in Pilates stance. The second will be parallel hip width coming into a squat. Make sure to keep the back flat, abs in, no arching or sticking the butt out. Let's start with bicep ones. Keeping the elbows in line with the shoulders, curl up to the shoulders for bicep 1. You can do anywhere from 5 to 8 reps. In this video, I'm doing 8 reps of each exercise. For biceps 2, bring the elbows and hands out to the side. Make sure to keep the shoulders down, reach out to the side with palms up, and curl up in towards the shoulder. Now we're moving into our first exercise in the second position. Come into a parallel position, hinge at the hips, back is flat, abs are in. For boxing, reach one arm forward and one arm back. The front hand is palm down and the back hand is palm up. Side stretch is to work and stretch the obliques. Make sure that as you stretch over to the side, you breathe into the space between the ribs, but try not to let the ribs puff out. Do 2 to 4 on each side. We're going back into our parallel squat, hinge and fold position for bug. Keep the abs in. Imagine that you're hugging a big beach ball right at your chest, and then bring the arms up and out to the side, squeezing the shoulder blades together on the back. Back into Pilates stance, heels together, toes fist distance apart for zip-ups. Imagine you're zipping up a jacket, bringing the weights in your hands under your chin with your elbows out to the side. Relax the shoulders down the back, and then imagine that to finish the exercise, you're pushing a shovel into the ground. For shave, bring the hands at the base of the neck. Relax the shoulders down the back as you reach up overhead. Imagine you're shaving off the back of your head. Back into our hinge and fold position for triceps kickback. You can do this 2 ways. Either keep the arms straight, pressing the weights back and forth and up. Or you can add a little bicep curl, making sure that you keep a nice flat back, abs are scooped in here. Again, optional here is to add a little hammer curl before sweeping the arms up and back. Back into Pilates stance for chest expansion. Staying nice and tall, abs scooping up. Reach the weights behind you and lift the heart and the chest, holding for a count of 3. Optional would be to add the neck stretch, turning your head to one side and then to the other. For sparklers, hold the ends of the weights in your fingertips, and then make sure not to twist or rotate from the wrist, but to actually do the movement from the shoulder joint. Circle up in one direction, pause at the top, and reverse the circles on the way down. And lastly, we'll do lunge. Step one foot out on a diagonal and square your shoulders to face in the same direction. Bend the knee and lean over the body so that from the top of the head all the way down to the back heel, your body is at an angle. Reach the arms overhead, bringing the biceps by the ears, and the hands reach behind you, very similar to chest expansion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.